happening, babes? It's your girl Lena Mariah. If you're new to the freaking channel, welcome back to the channel, my babes. How you baddies are doing? So y'all, you see the freaking title, you know what's gonna go on. Your girl is doing another affordable wig Wednesday. I know I haven't done affordable wig in a very long time, but you guys, your girl is back. And the reason why I have not done that, I've been wearing braids, I've been getting my hair like actually done. So that's kind of why I haven't been doing those affordable wigs. But your girl is back and she's gonna have them posted for you, okay? And they're affordable. Like, you cannot freaking go wrong. But look at this look. Look at this. Can you believe me? This is a half a wig. Like, baby, this is like a sew-in. This look like a freaking sew-in. Like, baby, this is not a sew-in. This is a half a wig, and I turned it into a sew-in because, baby, I need a wig for the go. I need something for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need to be able to rock out this mug within 5 to 10 minutes. I ain't got time to be doing all that hair. I need something simple and easy and affordable, you guys. So yes. So you guys, before you even get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the family, like this video up, and click that bell if I'm posting new freaking videos. So you guys, continue watching if you want to see how I got this beautiful look. Okay, ladies, so let me show you how I got that beautiful look. So first thing first, this is the wig that I am wearing. Hope you can see it. If not, I'm just gonna sit it right there. There we go. And excuse the busted ass nails. I just took my press-ons off, so please excuse them. But the wig is called Bonique Deep. It's in the color 1B, and it is an instant weave boutique bundles. It comes in different colors, and also, you guys, it was affordable. I only paid like $20 for it, $20 and $30. Click the link down below. It'll let you know where I got the wig from and how much it costs. I don't want to tell you false information, but I do believe it's between $20 and $30. So why not? Affordable wig on a budget, you feel me? So let's get into the wig, okay? Why my phone always going off when I'm trying to do a video? Every time I'm trying to do a goddamn video, somebody want to text, somebody want to call. I'm gonna call them back. Well, okay, I'm gonna text them later. So here go the wig, you guys. So let me tell y'all, the wig has already been worn. Like, I already worn this wig, so I'm not gonna say, oh, it's freshly out the pack. No, it's not freshly out the pack. I wore it Saturday, and I was like, let me see what it, you know, get a vibe of it, see if I rock with it or not. And you guys, I liked it. So the wig comes with a comb in the front, and it got like a long comb, and it also got the little comb in the back with the adjustable scraps. As you can see, mine are already adjusted to fit my head. You guys, I already got my head pinned up. I just plaited them up and just pinned them up. Got a little leave out because this is a half a wig. So why not go and get into it? So let me show you what I do to my half a wig to make them look more realistic, make them look more like a kind of like a sew-in type of hairstyle. Other than, I know for a fact it's not gonna look like a like a front or a closure due to I don't have like the parts or whatever, but I can make it look like a natural sew-in. So this is what I do. So I make sure there's comb, like I run my hands through the more look so not synthetic. I also already put baby powder on it, but I do put baby powder on it just to help it from being so shiny, because y'all know how them wigs be looking. They be looking all shiny and dusty and shit, and we ain't having it, okay? So what we're gonna do is gonna put this wig on. And I'm thinking I thought about putting the cap on with it, but I feel like it's not gonna give natural, because I feel like it gives more natural when you don't put a cap on. That's just me. Everybody's different. I don't know about nobody else. I can only talk about myself and what works for my head, you feel me? Because as I tell y'all in every video, I am not a hairstylist, so don't shoot me. I only do my own hair. So don't come for me, because I will come back for your ass, okay? And y'all, I make sure I put it at the far top as much as I can get it to as close as possible, like here. At least 2 inches from like here. Hope you can see it, but like 2 inches. And only because when it looked like that, you can just scoot the hair back and it'll make it look more of a sew-in style. So I'm gonna go and run my hands through it, And let's fix this front part, because you see how this looking? Y'all see, like, you can see the lining there. My baby hair look like redunculous. So let's get the fixing. Let me show y'all what I do to give me a cute little 1 2 3 step hairstyle, and also make it look more natural sewing other than just a little quick weave or a little half a wig. We're gonna turn you into a little sew-in. So let's get into it. ladies, so this is how I get my half a wig to look like a sew-in. So what I do is it shows you I'm gonna do the baby hair, and I make sure, you guys, I use my Eco Gel only because Eco Gel works best for my hair type. Everyone's hair type is different, but for me, Eco Gel is the best for me. Also, I make sure that I put it on the outside area of my hair first and push it back with a hard brush so that it can give the waves that I need, because this is curly hair, so I wanted to keep the curls to make it look more natural. Also, I went in with my Dairies edge control and go and did my edges on both sides, because you can really wear this hair versatile. I said versatile? Versatile. Oh my goodness, why would I do a video everybody want to freaking call and text me? Crazy. So this is what this is looking like, and this is how it looks on this side. This is my bang, well, hair on the left side. This is my go-to side. Hair always on this side. And if I want to do this side, have the hair over, like I could really wear it versatile, because how I got the hair section. So the way I got it in the front, I got it kind of covering both ends, so it still look like, oh, I got a little tangle, y'all, a little tangle, just a little bit. I've been playing it a little too much, but yeah. So if I want to wear it on this side, it will still look very, very natural, because I got a little minimum of leave out here, but I made sure that I pushed it all the way back as much as I can, and I kind of used the hard brush to stay, just to, you know, make it hard to stay, so it won't show that line that it normally shows when you have a half a wig. It always shows that line. So I make sure when I do it, I push the hair all the way back in the front interior view too. That's how I normally wear it. And I want to do side to side. This is how this side look. Also, the baby hair is done on this side as well, so I can do either or. I can really do either, you know, either left or right. I feel like I can do it in the middle too. I want to do something in the middle. Like if I want to do like a middle, let's see. Okay, so if I want to do it in the middle, like a cute little style like this, still perfect. You still can't see the lining. The hair is still there, perfect, and got the little baby hair in the front right there. So you guys, this kind of how I get this look. It's easy peasy. It literally takes 10 minutes to put this wig on. Do your little, you know, push your little hair back, put your little edge control on. But you need to purchase the Dairies edge control. Website link will be down below for this beautiful edge control that lasts all freaking day. Like, the edge control works all day. You guys, I'm also gonna put my mousse on just to keep the curls the way I like to keep them. This is the mousse that I'm using. Oh, y'all, that light is crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. But this is the Dairies hair mousse as well. Also, I already put it on my hair when I originally wore it, but I'm going to put a tad bit more on just to keep those curls intact like the way I like them in the front. Like, I always put it in the front to give it more realistic look. And you don't need much. Just put a little bit on your hand. Rub it. And just keep those curls in the front. Make it look more realistic. Like, I just love how it can just give a sew-in look. It don't have to look like a synthetic wig. And I just love that. Like, I love that. So you guys, this is basically the end of this video, how I got this beautiful look. As I stated, check the link down below for the freaking link for this wig, you guys. You can't beat it. It's a beautiful wig, cute little on-the-go wig. If you don't have time to do your hair, there's something that can get you up and out, okay? Get done within 5 to 10 minutes. You feel me? Just up to your preference. So you guys, this is basically the end of this video. If you have watched to the end, have not subscribed to the family, like this video, click that bell, notify you I'm posting new freaking videos. And you ladies, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog. Peace.